Hello and welcome to Tina's Training Academy. I'm Tina and I'm here today with Tootsie, and I want to talk to you about road rage. I often get attacked by rageful people while driving with Tootsie. Here's what I do to deal with that. Were you honking at me, or was it her? Was it her that was, because she was driving? Is it her that you just said the B word to? Because you know she is. Would you like some watermelon? Perhaps it'll cool you down because you seem to be a little bit hot to trot. Tootsie, tasties, Tootsie. Oh, you're leaving now? You're leaving. All right, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh my God.